Number 21, quadratic formula. I'm going to write out what the quadratic formula is right on the top here. X equals negative b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. So in order to use the quadratic formula, we need to get everything onto one side to have it equaling 0. So number 21, I'm going to add the 4n, subtract the 16, equals 0. So n equals negative b, negative 4, plus or minus the square root of 4 squared minus 4 times 3 times a negative 16 all over 2 times 3. So that'll be negative 4 plus or minus square root of 16 plus 192 all over 6. Now it's just simplifying. Negative 4 plus or minus square root of 208 all over 6. So now we're looking for two factors of 208 where 1 is a perfect square. So 208 is 16 times 13. So it's a negative 4 plus or minus 4 square root of 13 over 6. And now as long as we can simplify every term except for the number underneath the square root, we can simplify here. So I'm going to divide everything by 2. So that's a negative 2 plus or minus 2 square root 13 all over 3. Okay? Give us a little space here. So just like the last one, first thing I'm going to do is bring the 12x to the other side. So 12x squared plus 12x plus 8 equals 0. Something nice we can do to make this a little easier, we can divide everything by GCF. In this case, I'm going to divide everything by 4. So really, we get 3x squared plus 3x plus 2 equals 0. Now we're going to plug everything into the quadratic formula. X equals negative 3 plus or minus square root of 3 squared minus 4 times 3 times 2 all over 2 times 3. Negative 3 plus or minus square root of 9 minus 24. 9 minus 24 is negative 15 over 6. Now we don't like square roots of negative numbers, so we need to take out an I. So it's negative 3 plus or minus I square root of 15 all over 6. Okay, evaluating each expression, logs. So I'm going to set this equal to x. And remember how to evaluate logarithmic expressions. We start with the base, so 3. We go 3 to the x equals 27. So 3 to what power equals 27? Well, to the third power. So the whole thing equals